To enter the diagnostic mode or the auto test mode, simply press the cancel key twice and press start. After the show test on, press the key 3, or if you don't have the number key, press the up arrow repeatedly until it shows auto test. After that, press the start key and it will start self-testing. Now initializing keyboard test, you can press the key. They will see if the key function normal. At this moment, don't press the cancel key twice. It will exist auto test mode. Wait until they switch to relay test mode. Right now, they check the double line bake relay K1, bake relay K2, double line bake relay K1, bake relay K2, and then they will move to the boil relay K3. They repeatedly check all this relay open and close to see if it's function normally. And then they will check convection relay, convection fan relay, warming zone relay K9, and the light K6, that's the socket. And then they ask you to open and close the oven door. They will check the lock, and then they will check the PCB temperature, and then show all the numbers on the display. Right now they show test complete. Now the test report shows you how many failure and faults. It shows possible reason to cause this failure. For bake failure, you can see they list wiring, relay, or heating element. For convection failure, check the wiring, relay, and the fan itself. For warming zone failure, check the wiring and check the relay K9, and also check the warming heating element. For oven light failure, check the wiring, relay K6, and the light bulb itself. If you want to know the reason why the oven bake is not working and how to fix it, please hit this video. Thank you. See you next time.